Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they...
Hey y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today's vlog is clearly just having a girls' night out. So me and my coworker agreed the other day. She's like begging me, like, Sierra, let's go to a basketball game. So I've never been to a basketball game here at the university. I have been to a UVA football game, but not a basketball game. So I am going to adventure out with her in probably like 2 hours. I just have some things I need to get done around the house first, and of course I'm going to change my outfit. Today's outfit is literally a cheetah shirt, beige pants, and my cheetah Crocs. I'm not wearing that. I'm just going to keep it very simple with a black pair of pants, find me a cute UVA shirt to wear, and then I'll wear I guess this jacket. I don't know, it gets hot in this jacket. So I probably won't do this jacket. I'll probably just like take a thinner jacket, who knows. But anyways, we're parking right across from the stadium, so therefore we don't have to do too much walking. And you know, I've never, like I said, never been to a basketball game, so we'll see what's happening inside. So I'll catch you guys when I get in the car with her, or either once we actually make it. I'm trying to be quiet here on school. Okay, bye.
What the world?
Come up here, Jeff, sponsor.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Thank you. Sure.
To crying today.